So a couple of days ago, I did a video about the Craft Lab Mayerism plugin, which was completely free, and you guys were very impressed with how the tone was. And I did promise that I made a preset that day, which I did, and I did save it. And I don't know what the problem is with the old link, but you can use a new link now and download that preset and then use it. Now I've been using the plugin for like a week, and I've been driving and just been playing around with some couple of presets. I do have a couple of more presets coming up over time, and I do see a few things that could be added to it just to give it more juice, compared to the other competition out there, even though this is in a class of its own because it's absolutely free and you're not really paying anything for it. So one thing that I've kind of played with a plugin is just that the doubler thing. I'm not sure what that is doing, but it kind of makes it deeper and warmer and bigger. And one thing that I've also tried to play around with is trying to use any type of Neve type preamp before hitting the plugin itself. Now, I did a video a couple of months ago about the JHS color box being an impeccable tool for guitar players using plugins and just using DI guitar. It just gives you that console warmth, brightness, and warmness that you just get from the great guitar tones that you've heard in the past. And that's something that I've been using, and that has also worked really well. Now, if you don't have $400 to cover for an external hardware that goes into your audio interface, you can still make do with what you already have. Another offer that I know that is working right now is the fact that Universal Audio actually has a preamp. I'll leave the information up here, that I've been experimenting with, and that has been kind of a very good replacement for using that hardware box. So right now you're doing completely in the box. You're recording your guitar straight into the box without using any external hardware except your audio interface. But now you're just using the help of a recreational emulation of a console, an analog console preamp that just adds some more warmness and some fineness to your tone. The dynamics of the software as well has always been something that I was drawn to the first day that I tried the plugin out. It just responds well to how you pick and how you play. So if you're playing a little bit softer, it's going to draw it back a little cleaner depending on what you have engaged. I notice when I have the clone engaged, I get the best out of the plugin. It just pushes that NAM capture of that amp. It just pushes to the place where it gets crunchily clean, not that already driven, but it's just right there at that edge of breakup, just below edge of breakup a little bit. And then the more farther you push your volume, it just gets dirty and grittier, and then you can draw back a little bit and then play cleaner. So that just brings a lot of dynamics into how you play and how everything responds. And adding that plugin extra, the 610 from UAD, just kind of gives you that fatter and warmer tone. The UAD 610 is a good replacement for that. It gives you that analog warmth preamp tone from your guitar. So all you have to do is add it in front of your chain and let that go straight into the plugin. So just arranging them like from one to, depending on your DAW. So the first plugin that you see on top will be the preamp for me, and then Mayerism next. And that's one thing that I've seen that has worked to kind of thickening my tone and make it a little bit fatter. So just dropping that tip out there. Let me know if you guys are using the plugin and if you guys are enjoying it and enjoying and writing with it or recording with it or playing sessions with it. And that's exactly what I've been doing. And I'll be exploring more alternatives and more ways to use and get the best out of any utility that you have, be it plugin or hardware or anything of that nature. My name is Dami. I'm a guitar player, and sometimes I come here and share some tips like that. So if that's your vibe, think about subscribing and liking and joining the community. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Jamming out.